Honestly speaking, I'd rather to have a simpler and more affordable solution for this. I think there are two main problems when people are building their robot car. First, they try to balance between cost and durability, and there are plenty of high-quality robot bases out there, but they can be really expensive. On the other hand, if you choose to buy cheaper options like plastic or acrylic base, they usually don't last long, and I think people won't want it like this lah. And secondly, I think they will find problem when they wanted to mount their microcontroller on the robot base. Imagine that you have bought a perfect controller board to kickstart your project, and only to realize that it doesn't have compatible mounting holes on your robot base. Now what? Do you want to spend hours searching for the right base, or do you want to invest in a 3D printer just to make a perfect holder for your microcontroller? Honestly speaking, I'd rather to have a simpler and more affordable solution for this. This is why we came up with this Robo Base Mini, which is to solve the common issue when building a compact yet versatile robot car. The inspiration actually came from a beetle called Fiddler Beetle, just like how this little bug has a well-balanced, adaptable body structure. We wanted a robot base that is small and yet flexible enough to support different controller boards and components. The idea was to create something compact like an adapter board while still being sturdy, versatile and cheap, so user doesn't have to struggle with mounting or size limitations. Wait, I have a long list to go. The compatible boards are Recabit, MotionBeat, MotionBeat Pro, Motion 2350 Pro, RoboBico, MakerPi RP2040, Maker Uno or Arduino Uno form factor, Maker Uno with Maker Drive, Raspberry Pi 4 or Raspberry Pi 5, and also other NVIDIA Jetson series. And I think that's all from me, right? Okay, why not you guys tell me other compatible boards in the comment below?